Squarespace looks great until it doesn't work for what you actually need. So whether you're scaling a business, building a store, or just tired of template traps, there are better tools out there. So in this video here, we'll show you the top 5 Squarespace alternatives, each one tested, ranked, and matched to different goals. And the best part? One of them costs under $3 a month with way more features than you'd expect. But we'll explain more about that in a bit here. Squarespace is popular for a reason, right? It's got clean templates, simple setup, and just enough tools to launch a decent looking site. But for many users, that simplicity eventually turns into limitation. You're locked into rigid layouts with limited freedom to customize beyond what the template allows. And while the themes and designs, they do look good, they don't always work for growing businesses or complex needs. And then there's the pricing. It seems fair at first, but once you start adding e-commerce or marketing tools, the costs really stack up, and you might not feel like you're getting your money's worth. Plus, Squarespace, it struggles to scale. It's fine for portfolios or basic sites, but once you want more power or flexibility, you're often stuck starting over somewhere else. Now, if you're already feeling boxed in or just want more options from the start, the 5 alternatives that we're about to cover here are worth a very serious look. So first, we'll talk about Wix, which in my opinion is the best overall alternative. If you're looking for freedom, the kind where you can literally drag anything anywhere on the page, Wix is where that freedom lives. So out of all the builders on this list, Wix gives you the most visual control without making you touch a single line of code. You can start with one of their 900 plus templates or build from scratch using their full drag and drop editor. There are no grids locking you down, no hidden formatting rules, just you and your vision. But what makes Wix stand out isn't just the customization, it's how much is actually built in. So you've got tools for SEO, email marketing, lead capture, blogging, appointment scheduling, even advanced features like abandoned cart recovery and custom animations, all under one roof. And whether you're a creative professional, a small business, or just someone who wants a site that feels unique, Wix makes it easy to launch something that's polished without hiring a designer. Now, pricing starts at $17 a month for the light plan, but most people get the best value from the core or business plans, which add more tools if you need them. Now, if you want total creative control and a platform that can grow with you without needing to learn code, Wix is a strong first choice. Now, by the way, if Wix seems like something that you want to try, you can click right up here to try their free plan or check out the link in the description. And if you end up upgrading to a paid plan in the future, which is very affordable, by the way, that link, it'll get you the absolute best pricing available with a special deal as well. But as powerful as it is, Wix isn't the best fit for every project. That's just reality. If selling online is your main focus, the next platform does one thing really, really well. So that is Shopify, which is best for e-commerce. So if your main goal is to sell products online, physical or digital, Shopify, it's in a league of its own. It's built specifically for e-commerce, which means that every feature, every integration, every detail is optimized to help you run and grow an online store. You're not bending a website builder into becoming a store. Shopify is the store. You could sell unlimited products, track inventory, recover abandoned carts, offer discount codes, create gift cards, and just sync your store across platforms like Instagram, Amazon, Facebook, all without duct taping together a bunch of third-party tools. It also works great if you have a physical store. They have a built-in POS system that lets you manage online and in-person sales all from one dashboard, which is a game changer if you're running both. And Shopify is ideal for anyone serious about e-commerce. If you're scaling a store or planning to, it'll save you time, simplify operations, and help you avoid limitations that show up fast on platforms that are not built for selling. Now, as for pricing, Shopify starts at $29 a month for the basic plan. And if you're just testing it out, you can get a 3-day free trial and then pay just $1 for the first full month after that, which is pretty low risk if you're launching something new. So you can find the link for Shopify and all the other Squarespace alternatives with the best possible pricing that I could find in the description. But if you're not focused on e-commerce and you just want to get online affordably, the next option could actually be a much better fit for you. And that's Hostinger, which is the best platform on a budget. So if price is one of your biggest concerns, but you still want something that looks good and works well, Hostinger might actually surprise you. It's best known as a web hosting provider, but their website builder has really come a long way. It's beginner friendly, it uses AI to speed up the design, and it comes packed with features that you'd normally expect from higher priced platforms. You get a free domain, SSL certificate, email hosting, automated backups, and even e-commerce tools with 0% transaction fees, all included in plans that start at under $3 a month. And yes, this is the platform that I had mentioned in the intro. Plus, if you prefer WordPress, Hostinger offers one-click installs and optimized WordPress hosting that's fast and reliable. So you're not just locked into one system here. You can start simple and switch things up later if needed. Now on the downside, it's just not as flexible as Wix or as powerful as Shopify. But for price, Hostinger gives you a solid site, fast setup, and the essentials that you need to look professional online. It's a smart choice for freelancers, startups, or anyone launching something on a tight budget. But if design flexibility is your top priority and you don't mind a bit of a learning curve, the next option here that we're going to go over takes things to a whole new level. And that is Webflow, which is best for designers and developers. So Webflow isn't for everyone, but if you're the type who likes to tweak everything, this is the builder that gives you the power to do it. It's the most advanced option on this list, which is, it blends the visual editing of a drag and drop editor with the control of actually writing code. You could create fully custom layouts, built-in animations, fine-tune the responsiveness of every element on the page, and even access the underlying HTML, CSS, and JavaScript without needing to write it from scratch. And it also has a built-in CMS, which makes it perfect for content-heavy sites or teams that need to update things regularly without touching design. And yes, it supports e-commerce too, with customizable checkout flows, product pages, and dynamic filtering as well. Where it really shines though is client work. If you're a designer or an agency, Webflow lets you build sophisticated sites fast, hand them off to clients, and even manage billing directly through the platform. The plans start at $14 a month for basic sites, but the sweet spot is usually the CMS plan, which is $23 a month if you're building anything more dynamic. And Webflow isn't the easiest builder to learn, but once you get it, there's almost no limit to what you can create. Now still, if that sounds like more than you need, the next option here keeps things simple while still looking great right out of the box. And that is Framer, which is best for portfolios and simplicity. So if Webflow feels like it's too much and you just want something that's sleek, fast, and modern, Framer might be exactly what you're looking for. Framer is one of the newer players in the space, but it's quickly gained attention for its beautifully designed templates and effortless user experience. You can launch a responsive, professional-looking site in under an hour, and you don't need any technical background or experience to do it. Now, what sets it apart is speed. Everything from editing to publishing, it happens in real time. It has built-in animations, a visual CMS, an AI website builder that can all help generate your layout and copy automatically. That means less time tinkering and more time getting your content out there. And it also offers basic e-commerce functionality. So if you're, selling a few digital products or prints, you can handle that directly inside Framer. There's no complicated setup or plugins needed at all. Framer is really ideal for designers, freelancers, or anyone building a portfolio, personal site, or simple landing page. It's beginner friendly but polished, and it gets you a great looking result with minimal effort. And there's a free plan to try it out, and if you want to upgrade, paid plans, they start at $15 a month. Now with that, we've covered some of the greatest alternatives, each one built around a different kind of user and website goal. But before you pick one, let's quickly break it all down side by side. If you want total creative control without touching code, Wix gives you the freedom to build exactly what you want. And again, click right up here to sign up for their free plan. Now, if you're focused on selling, so whether that's a side hustle or a full-blown brand, Shopify is built for e-commerce from the ground up. If budget is tight, but you still want something reliable and decent looking, Hostinger delivers more than you'd probably expect for the price. If you're a designer, a developer, or agency that's looking for high-end sites, Webflow gives you the customization power that most platforms just can't match. And if you just want to launch a sleek, responsive site fast with no overwhelm, Framer might be your sweet spot. Truth is, all 5 of these are solid picks. It just depends on your own priorities. Now, I've dropped links, as I said, to each platform down in the description with the absolute best pricing. and free trials if I could find them as well. And yes, I do want to say there are affiliate links, which help support the channel at no cost to you. So I appreciate you using them if you do. That all said, if you're still unsure, just drop a comment. Let me know what kind of site you're trying to build, and I will help you figure out what makes the most sense for you.